Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GitHub to VS Code. Let's dive into understanding their fundamental differences and how they serve distinct purposes in the software development lifecycle. GitHub, a robust platform, primarily focuses on version control and team collaboration, hosting millions of repositories. On the other hand, VS Code is a versatile, free, and open-source code editor, offering extensive customization and a rich ecosystem of extensions for various programming languages. We'll explore how these two powerful tools can work together seamlessly. GitHub excels as a central hub for collaborative development and version control. It allows teams, often comprising dozens or even hundreds of developers, to manage code changes efficiently using Git. Features like pull requests enable structured code reviews, ensuring quality and consistency. With over 100 million developers, it's a massive community for sharing and contributing to open-source projects, providing a secure and scalable environment for hosting your codebases. VS Code shines as an incredibly powerful and flexible code editor. It offers a seamless coding experience with features like intelligent code completion, syntax highlighting, and integrated debugging. Its marketplace boasts thousands of extensions, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your development needs, whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, or C++. This lightweight editor is designed for speed and efficiency, making it a favorite among millions of developers worldwide for daily coding tasks. It's crucial to understand that GitHub and VS Code are not competing products. Rather, they are highly complementary. Think of VS Code as your personal workshop for crafting code, where you write, edit, and debug. GitHub, on the other hand, is your project's public or private repository, where you store, version, and collaborate on that code with others. Many developers integrate Git directly into VS Code, allowing them to push changes to GitHub with just a few clicks, streamlining their entire development process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.